Stop listening. Stop. Stop listening to bad advice online. I can think of countless situations over the years, and I've been online since the 90s, of videos I've watched, articles I've read, forum posts of just 100% bad advice, stuff that is just so far from the truth and so far from how you should be living your life. And a lot of times it comes from like forums, you know, where people all agree on one thing. They all agree on one idea. And so everyone's like, oh, great idea, great. You should do this, you should do that. And it's natural that people think alike. And it's natural to be seeking answers. But at the same time, I think the most important thing you can do when it comes to anything, whatever you're trying to do, is to make your own decisions. Learn to think rationally and logically for yourself. That's going to help you in life more than any internet post on any forum, on Reddit, any website, more than any YouTube video with advice. Make your own logical decisions and try to make them without the influence of others, without the influence of society. Most people are influenced by society. We all are. But you have to break free. You have to learn to think for yourself. They call it thinking outside the box, I guess. Learn to break free, learn to think for yourself and make your own decisions in this world. When it comes to everything, when it comes to studying, when it comes to working out, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to jobs, everything. Make your own choices because no one has the answers and no one cares more about you than you. Just because 100 people on some website are saying that this is the best way to do this or this is the best way to do that doesn't mean it's the best way to do it. It just means that 100 people have that same thinking. It doesn't mean it's correct thinking. Okay. And that's what you have to realize. And they used to teach this in school. When I was a little kid, I learned about it. I remember they had a picture of a guy on a wagon. They said, "Don't jump on the bandwagon." So think for yourself when it comes to everything. Form your own opinions and stand on your own 2 feet as a human being in this world, my friends. That is the best way to live your life. And it's sad because so many people don't do it. So many people, they just don't do it. They just don't do it. And it's because they cling to notions that other people follow. Human beings like to be a part of something. Human beings like to belong to something. It's a natural thing to want to belong. And so you kind of have to fight that when you're trying to think for yourself, because if you want to belong to something, a lot of times that means belonging to their thinking. And this can be anything, right? This can be financial advice stuff, right? Like finance circles. You've got the boggleheads, you've got the dividend growth investors, you've got the traders, you've got the crypto dudes. I mean, anything. You've got people who follow different workout methodology. You've got the full body workout guys. You've got the split guys. It could be anything. The best way to learn something, any advice, anything you look for. I saw a post once many years ago. This is a long time ago. This is when Reddit first came out, I think. And my friend showed it to me, one of my students who I ended up talking to after he has his master's now in math. And he was trying to go to grad school. So it was a post on grad school advice, like tips for people who were going to graduate school in mathematics. And it was just full of constant garbage. And I'm like, I can't believe how bad this information is. I can't believe how wrong and twisted the thinking is of all these people on this. And I was like, this is garbage. I was like, don't listen to any of these people, man. All these people are wrong. He's like, what? But it says this here. I'm like, no, just because they're all just as lost as you. right? So make your own decisions, form your own opinions, make your own judgments in life. And I think that's going to take you very far in life. And that's the message for this video. Learn to think for yourself, right? And everything, not just math, grad school advice, but everything you do in life, relationship advice, everything. Make your own decisions, gather the facts, and learn to make your own decisions. And I think you're going to have a much better life if you do that. I really do. I really do. If you want to learn math, check out my courses and books, links in the description. Um, check those out. But I think that's all I wanted to say. Just make your own decisions, think for yourself, and you're going to find, you're going to find that when you start thinking for yourself, you're going to find that you're going to start doing things differently from other people, and you'll start making decisions that other people don't make, and people will kind of look at you and they'll view you differently. Like, well, why is this guy or girl, why are they doing that? That's a weird. People might call you crazy. They might think you're strange, but make your own decisions. And honestly, you'll probably be way more successful in life if you make your own choices and your own decisions. And I'm not saying you shouldn't listen to advice and you shouldn't seek advice, right? And that those things are important. Try to learn from people who are, doing better than you in life in any aspect. People who you want to be like or emulate, people you look up to. It's normal to have heroes and stuff. I'm just saying that when it comes to decision making, learn to make those decisions on your own, and always think for yourself rationally. You need to think, am I making the right choice? Is this the rational choice? Is this logical? Does this make sense? Right? And a lot of times we get stuck in ways of thinking that we can't get out of. And again, it's hard, and it's something you should strive to do in all aspects of your life. And this is life changing because, you know, decisions lead to action. And action is the one thing in this world that leads to results. It's so important that my first book, Real Superpowers That Will Change Your Life, is based on the premise that action can change your life because every action has a consequence. And so if you make the right actions, you can have really good consequences, right? And so it teaches you superpowers, real superpowers that will change your life, teaches you superpowers that you can use to change your life. And so make those good decisions so that you can make good actions, turn them into actions which can actually change your life. And when you start thinking for yourself, you start doing things that you didn't know were possible. You start accomplishing things that you didn't know were possible. And your life takes directions that you didn't know were possible. And so you can do a lot of things in life that you didn't think were possible before. And I think that's the message for this video. So yeah, I hope it's been helpful, my friends. Um, Subscribe if you want. I post all kinds of content here, math content, advice, just whatever. Stay strong. Stay strong.